Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. Very daunting. Anyway. Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter. Something a little bit different. The season is finished. At the moment, the slopes look like this. I thought, what better to do an unboxing and review video. I would like to say that I'm buying myself a new phone, but I'm not. Kelly is buying herself a new phone. Or she has bought herself a new phone, rather. And which is that. And as you know by the title, you already know what the phone is. So
I didn't need my opener.
You didn't even need the. You're showing them the wrong side.
Pixel 3a.
Pixel 3a. Ooh.
Very nice. Very nice box. Got off to a good start so far.
Very good. Tell me before you open this, because tell me, what's your existing phone?
Sony Xperia Z3.
Okay, and when did you buy that?
I actually bought that on my my second season here. That would have been 2014 or 15.
Okay, so it's a bit, it's getting a bit long in the tooth.
Yes, my very first smartphone.
You've run out of memory on that.
Run out of memory. There is a space for a SIM card in there, but it means it moves your apps over and then the apps don't behave properly. Exactly. And I don't know,
anyway, I think 4 years is a good lifespan for a phone.
I've been happy with it, but the camera is pretty crap now, and it's been a great phone, but it's time to move on.
About a week ago, you came and asked me and said what was for the price that you were looking for.
Yeah.
What you were looking for, and literally this is only a few weeks old. The great thing about the Pixel 3a is it has the same camera as the 3.
Okay.
But it's half the price.
Oh.
She's like that.
Everything's got arrows. I like this.
They're not trying to say in any way. Before you actually do that, let's just have a quick look to see what's
in the box.
You got your SIM opening tool.
Tool.
And all your bits of paper, which you were never going to read.
Guide. Yeah. Well.
No, exactly.
Book.
Ooh, a sticker.
Stickers.
Ooh, your Team Pixel.
Ooh. More instruction manuals. A very cool
USB-C.
Very Apple looking. Very Apple looking.
But it's a USB-C cable.
USB-C. C. I'm going to have to figure out what all this is about.
So basically, that's so you can put a full-size USB cable into USB-C.
Okay.
If you so needed to.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so there's my...
Charging cable.
Oh my gosh, yes, earphones.
You got some earbuds.
I'm very excited about this part.
There you go.
Oh yeah, they look pretty decent. Yeah, these are cool. They're angled as well. So
okay, well you'll see how they fit in a second. And also you've got the charger at the bottom.
Different. And and then the charger.
Which is a standard Euro charger.
Standard Euro charger.
And I have a feeling that's like a quick charger as well.
Okay.
So
this is very handy because I think this is actually the same as my GoPro. So I'm gonna actually I can stop carrying around two different outlets.
Of course you can. Follow the angles of that. Ooh.
Oh, should I have taken that off?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that the... No,
it's not. That's just...
Like, my mum keeps the foil on the...
okay, no.
10-year-old phone, flip-top phone. She wants to keep it on. This is the phone.
Go on then.
Ooh.
Go on, put us out of a misery.
So this is the...
That's the fingerprint. Go on, turn it on.
I'm guessing it's that one.
That's the one. There we go. Ooh. That. Okay, so they are they're about the same size, but yeah, you've got far less of a chin and a forehead on the phone.
It's a little bit narrower.
Bit narrower, but and one of the reasons why I recommended this is that because this is a Google phone, it gets stock Google. Okay. You don't have a skin on it. Whereas if you buy a Samsung, a Sony, a Huawei, or any of these things, it has stock Google, and then it has their own skin on top of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And the great thing about it as well is if every time there's an update to the software, you'll get it immediately.
Okay, that's cool.
We're going to I'm just going to do a little comparison. Okay, so that's my iPhone 7.
Wow, that's a big difference, isn't it?
is, can we just do a selfie with each one of these?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's so wide.
It is very wide. So it shows the difference in the wideness. But that is super sharp.
Yeah. It almost looks a little bit not grainy, but you know when it's like over processed, that's what that kind of...
So first impressions, you're super impressed.
I'm very impressed, yeah.
That camera, I have to say, I'm
It's
even
great.
blown away by it, because I know that, as I say, it's got the camera of the Pixel 3 in it that's rated as one of the best cameras that's available.
Yeah.
And so yeah.
Very impressed.
Anyway, we're going to pop outside and just take us some photos comparing my crappy old iPhone 7. It's not crappy at all, it's awesome. The old Sony and the new one, just to give you a comparison, just to show you how great the new one is and how bad the old one is. I would say that even I'm super impressed with how well this is working. And I'm an iPhone guy, yeah? And at $3.99, literally, when Kelly first came to me and said, I'm looking for another phone, and you actually asked loads of other people on Facebook the same thing, and the average price of the phones that they recommended was like 800 euros. Yeah. So for this, half the price, great camera, I mean, it's, and to get something that is stock Google, which I cannot stress enough, having it how Google meant it to be is, I can't say, if I was to get a Google, if I was to get an Android phone, I would get a Google phone, because I would, because I would want to have just the basic software that is like this, and and that's just me being me. Yeah, there you go, Pixel 3a. If you have one, let us know down below. If you're thinking of getting a phone, thoroughly recommend it. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.